Welcome back to Design Bundles YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Crystal, and today I'm going to show you guys how to edit text right here in Procreate. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, I've already opened up a blank canvas. I'm ready to go. What we're going to do is come right over here to the wrench. We're going to click on it just as usual, and then we're going to click on Add Text. So from here, you can see our text right here. What you're going to go ahead and do is double tap, and then we're going to click on the keyboard, which is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. The next thing you need to do is click on this AA right here. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then this is the screen that you're going to get. This is where you're going to have all of your options to edit your text. You're going to be able to choose your font right here. You're going to be able to change your style. You're going to be able to change your design, and then all of your attributes right here. Now you can also import your font from here, as well as copy and paste things like so. So let's go ahead and dive right into our font. So from here, this is where you can go ahead and select yours. If you need help importing your own font, we have a video on that. I'll have it up above or down below. So the font that I am using today is right here. It's Harina. It is a free font over on fontbundles.net. I'll have it linked down below. Now that we have our font selected, the next option you're going to get is style. From here, you're going to be able to change whether it's regular, italic, bold, and all of those things. Now, as you guys can notice that I only have the regular option. If you choose another font, you may get more options. So for example, for Gill Sans, we have tons of options to choose from italic, semi-bold, all the way down to ultra bold. So lots of different options for that one. And then if we go ahead and come down just one more, you can see this one only has two. It's regular and bold. So not all fonts are equal. So some may have extras and some may not. So let's go ahead and go back to the font that we have chose. We have it on regular. Next options you're going to have is design. So let's go ahead and go over this section. The very first one we're going to come to is size. And as you guys can see on the right side, it is set at 47.0. To change it, to make it smaller or bigger, you're going to drag it from left to right. So if we want to make it bigger, we're going to drag it to the right. And if we want to make it smaller, we're going to take it to the left. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this up nice and big so you guys can see everything. The very next one you're going to have is kerning. Kerning is going to space your letters for you. So this is what's going to give it that extra space. If you need to bring them in, you're going to bring them to the left. So that is what your kerning is going to be for. Now, in order for the next one, which is tracking, you're going to want to have already set your kerning. So I've already got mine adjusted there. And then from here, you can take the tracking and go right or left. And this is going to adjust it as a whole. So as you can see here, it's nice and even, just like so. The very next one that we have here is leading. Leading is going to be when you have two or more lines. So right now we only have one. So let me go ahead and add in another. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that keyboard right on the left there. And then I'm going to go ahead and type out text once again. All right, so now that we have everything highlighted, we have two lines now. We're going to come to leading, and if you go to the left here, it's going to bring that line in closer. And if I need to separate them, I'm going to bring it over to the right. So like I said, for leading, you need at least two or more lines, and that's going to do that spacing for you, just like so. Now when it comes to baseline here, this is going to take it either up or down, just like so. Then you have opacity. Opacity is going to let you either have the brightest of text, or if I want to mute the color down a little bit, I could come to my opacity here and I could take it to the left, and it's going to start to mute that color down. So you see how nice and bold it is, and then I can bring it down. So I'm going to click on that there. So you see it's like a nice gray now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that again, bring it all the way to the right, and you can see it's black. All right, so the very next options you're going to get here is attributes. And so the attributes here, let's go ahead and double click on that again. Attributes is going to allow you to take it all the way to the left, center it, or take it to the right. So if we click, this one here, it's going to take our, text over to the left. This is going to center it, take it to the right. The next set of options you're going to get is a U with a line underneath it. This is to underline your text. And then for the next one here with the O, this is going to outline our text. So if we go ahead and do that, you can see that those are outlined. I'm going to go ahead and double click that. We'll take that off, underline, and as you guys can see there, we have that underline. All right, so now that we have gotten rid of the other line there, so you can see with the double dot, that's going to mirror those. It's going to flip it horizontal or vertical. And then if we have the TT here, this one right here is going to allow us, if we turn it on or off, it's going to make it lowercase or uppercase. So this is not equal for all fonts. So you can see nothing's happening now. But if I come back up here to the Gill Sans, you can see it's lowercase. If I click it again, it's uppercase. So you're going to have that option right there. And there you have it. That's how you're going to edit your text right here inside of Procreate. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.